Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make price table in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to install plugin. So from in there, scroll down until you can see the option right here for plugins and click on this add new plugin right here. Now, once you have done that, we should be able to see the plugin marketplace of WordPress itself. So what we can do in this case is to just head over and then search in here for price table. So let's search in here for that. And then we should be able to see some search results related to this case. So we have in here a lot of things, but one that we need is this pricing table, price table prices by AWP Life. Click on this right here. Then once we have done that, click on this install and activate, and this will install this particular plugin to our WordPress dashboard. Once it's been installed, we can see it now on our left sidebar. Here it is our pricing table. Click on this add pricing table right here in order to add a very first price table. Now in here you can add your table name. So for example, let's put in here the name for sizes. The price will depend depending on the sizes. So let's put that. And in here you can also see some fewer things like you can add columns or add a new table. So for example, for this one, let's add a column. And now we have in here the name. So for example, let's name this small. And then let's price it at around 100. Right here. And we have in here the pricing plan if you want, as well as the features. Now you can also put in here button text. Like for example, let's put in here check out or get now. And you can also put in here a button URL. Now I can also add another column. So for example, in this case, let's name it medium. Now let's also put a price right here. Let's price it around 120. And you can also put the pricing plan, features, as well as the button text that will appear. So we can also add another one. So for this case, I'll add another one right here. And then you can also put in here this type for cross icon and right for the right icon. Once you have clicked on this add column, you can see it is right here. So for example, for this case, let's name this large, and then let's press it at around 150. And you can also put in here the button text as well as a button URL. And you can also get the shortcode for this one. You can get the template design, so you can choose which one is actually for you. So in this case, I'll head over and choose this one if you want as well. But they also have pro version, and you can also choose the template design from their standard version. So in here, you can also view the config as well as the color settings, colored feature settings, and also custom CSS. Once you're done editing that, click on this get shortcode, and we have the shortcode that we have. So let's copy this, and once we have copied this, let's close this one, and let's head over to the pages that we have. So in this right here, we need to just add a new page. Now we're on our pages, so we can head over and add a new page. And then for this new page, let's actually name this pricing page wherein we want to add a shortcode that we have just created. Now let's add a title right here for pricing. And then in here, we can see this slash icon and also this plus icon. So let's click on this right here, and then let's search in here for shortcode. We have in here a shortcode. Now let's paste it right here. And now from in there, we can actually just head over and then publish it right there. So let's head over and schedule it. Or you can also publish it in here as well immediately if you want to. So from this case, let's head over and schedule it. And then this will save and it will publish our price table that we have created. Don't worry though, because the shortcode will only appear on the editing or editor that we have. But once you have to head over and view the page, you should be able to see it. So as you can see right here, I have viewed the page, and this is now our price table. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.